In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SEO optimized content with Genspark AI from start to finish. We'll move from a blank page to a publish-ready piece of SEO content using Genspark AI as your co-pilot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your workspace, generate smart keyword ideas, shape a solid outline, refine a draft to match your brand, and confidently publish or export your final content. Start by opening Genspark AI and creating a new SEO-focused task or workspace. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, especially if you manage multiple projects. Think of this space as your campaign hub where all prompts, drafts, and iterations stay organized. Next, enter your website, topic, keyword, or SEO goal. Be specific. If you have a primary keyword, add it. If you're still exploring, add a topic and describe your intent, like increasing top of funnel traffic or improving conversions on a product page. The clearer your goal, the better the AI will align its suggestions. Now use Genspark AI to generate keyword ideas and content directions. Start with a seed keyword or topic and review the related terms, long tail variations, and suggested angles. Pay attention to search intent categories such as informational, transactional, and navigational. Capture a short list of phrases that closely support your main goal and feel realistic for your site to rank for. Review the SEO use cases suggested in this video and choose the one that best fits your content goal. Options might include a blog post, product page, landing page, comparison guide, how-to article, or FAQ. Match the use case to where your audience is in their journey so the format naturally supports their needs. Ask Genspark AI to build optimized outlines, titles, headings, or full article drafts. Provide clear guidance, include your target keyword, audience, tone, word count range, and any must-cover subtopics. Request strong H1 and H2 structures, compelling title options, and a draft that flows logically and answers key user questions. Edit the output so it matches your brand and target keyword. Refine the voice, tighten the intro, and verify that your primary and secondary keywords appear naturally. Add internal links to relevant pages, ensure headings reflect proper hierarchy, and fact-check names, stats, and claims. Insert unique insights, examples, or data that only your brand can provide. Finally, publish or export the content after checking accuracy and relevance. Confirm the title, meta description, links, and calls to action. Then export to your CMS or preferred format, make any final formatting tweaks, and publish with confidence.